And so here's an example of something I did. This is one of my favorite memes. It's sarcastic Spongebob, right? So what I did is I wrote a little program that will ask you for an idea or a thought or a sentence. And then when you give it to it, it will generate the meme for you by writing the text on the screen. Okay. So this actually has practical value because now I can easily send this to my kids, mocking anything they could possibly say. So very useful, but just an example of how easy it is to draw something on a screen. And look at this code, the actual drawing of the thing, that's it. So taking that image, I'm opening it up, I'm getting the size from it, I'm doing some calculations, and the only reason I'm doing the calculations is to position the text correctly because I really wanted to be centered in the image. Didn't even have to do that, but here I'm creating the font, I'm setting the draw context, and again, here's my multi-line text, the starting, and this is where I'm giving it the text itself. The with sarcasm is just the thing that makes it alternate capitals and lowercase so that it looks, so that everybody knows you're being sarcastic. Everything else is just program mechanics. So the SpongeBob function is doing the heavy lifting here, and it's super short. So you can get a pretty cool little little thing here. And you can see I've added some text. So the multi-line text, I'm using the font, there's the fill color, and I can actually draw the black outline around the text. And then the align center and the anchor just makes sure that that text is easily centered in the window. So really pretty simple. And by the way, if you want to play around with that, I've uploaded that code to Canvas.